This is a tutorial on how to better tie your shoes using the heel lock method. This can be very beneficial for certain individuals, especially those that are using shoes that I recommend or are on the Posture Restoration Institute shoe list. What the heel lock does is it provides the calcaneus or heel bone more stability through the gait cycle. And this could lead to immediate and significant improvements in some of our assessments further up the chain in the clinic. All right, how to tie your shoe. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna first find a shoe that has this extra hole up here by the lace, okay? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that lace and you're gonna loop it through that hole, and we're gonna leave a little bit of slack so you have a little bit of like a bunny ear on this side, and you're gonna do the same on the other side. Now, once you have those two ears, you're gonna grab your lace. In this case, I'm grabbing my right side lace and I'm gonna loop it through the left loop, okay? Kind of like that. Then I'm gonna take the left side and loop it through the right. Okay, so it looks like that. So once we have the heel lock set up, it's very important that we tie it correctly. So moving on to the next step. So now to tie it onto your foot, we're first going to start at the very bottom and we're going to tighten from the bottom up. So like so. And then once we have that tied, we're going to take the two laces that are through these loopholes that we've created at the top, and we want to pull down and back to lock that calcaneus or heel in place. So I'm pulling down and back, and then from there, we're just going to tie like we normally would. Like so. So what the heel lock method truly does is it creates more stability in your heel or calcaneus as you move through the gait cycle. So it pulls that calcaneus into a more down and back position as you're walking. And this can create a lot less compensations up the chain. So give it a try and see if it makes your ankle, knee, hip, and maybe even back discomfort feel better. Now, this will only work if you have the right shoe. So what I'll do is below I will include the link to this year's PRI or Posture Restoration Institute shoe list based on your foot type. So you can go and check that out. Now, if you like this video and you took something from it, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.